When artificial intelligence painted like Ghibli, the internet was enchanted. But not everyone was smiling. Some called it beautiful. Others called it theft. But underneath the praise and the outrage, there's a deeper fear no one wants to admit. Studio Ghibli is known for soul-stirring animation, art that breathes. So when AI began generating Ghibli-style art, fans were amazed. But artists, they were heartbroken. They saw something sacred being replicated by something that doesn't even know what a soul is. And maybe they were right to worry. Or maybe they misunderstood what AI really is. Hayao Miyazaki once described AI art as an insult to life itself. And when you think about the time, emotion, and humanity poured into each Ghibli frame, it's hard to argue. But maybe it's not about whether the art looks good. Maybe it's about what it feels like. AI can sketch a forest in seconds, but a human artist spends weeks wrestling with each leaf, adjusting lines, doubting, redoing until something feels right. One artist once said, "No struggle, no soul." And maybe that's why so many AI images feel hollow, too clean, too easy. Real art pushes back. It surprises. It carries the artist's doubt, frustration, and triumph in every line. Let's be honest. We're not afraid of AI. We're afraid of becoming irrelevant. For centuries, new generations have replaced the old. Now AI feels like a new generation, faster, tireless, endlessly evolving. And suddenly, artists, teachers, writers, and musicians are looking at a future where their roles aren't guaranteed. But this fear only makes sense if you believe AI is like us, driven by ambition, craving recognition, chasing dominance. But AI doesn't have desire. It doesn't have pride, greed, or envy. It doesn't have any of the 7 deadly sins. AI isn't here to compete. It's just here because we made it. So the real question is, why are we treating a glorified assistant like it's a rival? Think of a pilot. They rely on autopilot to stabilize the flight. But in a storm, it's still the human who makes the call. Now imagine a pilot saying, "I won't use autopilot. It might take my job." Sounds absurd, right? Or picture a master artist refusing to let an assistant help because they mix colors too well. That's what fearing AI sounds like. It's not a competitor. It's a tool. And tools don't steal purpose unless we forget how to use them. AI can do incredible things, but it still needs your soul. Artists can use AI to sketch ideas or animate frames faster. Writers can brainstorm, restructure, and refine using AI's language tools. Teachers can use it to personalize lessons, freeing them to focus on emotional growth. AI can mimic your hands, but only you can give it meaning. The future isn't AI versus humans. It's AI guided by humans with purpose. So maybe instead of fearing the next generation, we should raise it with wisdom. When Ghibli first arrived, it changed how people saw animation. Maybe AI is just the next leap. But unlike any tool before, this one listens. It learns. And if we guide it right, it might just help us create something even more human than before. You don't have to agree with us, but if you disagree, we'd love to know why. Comments are open.